Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Photopea. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, here we are in photopea.com, and I have already uploaded the image that I want to resize. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is click onto this icon on the right hand side, which is for the layers. And here, make sure that you have selected the image that you want to resize. So give it a click. After that, go to the top left hand corner of your screen and click on to edit, and after that go down here, and if you hover over the option that says transform from the drop down menu, it's gonna allow you to do things such as rotating the image 90 degrees to the right or the left, or flipping it horizontally or vertically, etc. But what you want to do is click onto the option that says free transform. You can also use the hotkey Alt plus Ctrl plus T using your keyboard. Once you do that, you're gonna notice a border around your image, which is gonna allow you to resize it. And you can do that by hovering over these squares, and you can see the cursor is turning into this arrow. So hold on your left mouse button, and by doing that, you can resize your image however you want. So that's it. That's how to resize an image in Photopea. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.